Hey sis, if you want to see how I did this nail design with the Nail Addict gel nail polish, keep watching this video. Hey sis, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. I am a celebrity fashion stylist and content creator, but on my channel, I do fashion hauls, press-on nail reviews, travel, and now some DIY nails. So if you have not, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on TikTok and IG. So if you have been subscribed for a while, you know that I love me some press-on nails, honey, okay? I normally just pop them on right out the pack. So when the Nail Addict reached out to me, I had to go back to my roots, okay? Because originally, when I first started wearing press-ons, I did create my own because once again, if you've been following me for a while, you know my nail beds are long and I could not find press-on nails that were long enough to work with my nail beds. So I just bought a clear set from Amazon and went to work, honey. So we're going to go back into my tool bag, okay? This is my first time, so we kept it simple and create a nail design on these press-on nails. For this design, I used the colors Wonder Why, Hypnotic, and For Me. So the Nail Addict has tons of colors to choose from. You can get 50% off of your purchase with my discount code as long as you purchase at least 2 bottles of nail polish. And I'll be sure to link all of the colors and the top coat that I use in the description box below. Let's just get into this nail design. I set my nails with a gel nail glue and shaped them into an oval shape. To start, place a little bit of nail polish on a separate surface. Then use your dotting tool to start making your first set of polka dots. This color is Wonder Why. Then cure under a UV lamp. So then we repeat the steps. This next color is called For Me. We will take some of it and put it on our separate surface. And again, take our dotting tool and make our polka dots in our new color. And once again, we're going to cure it under the UV lamp. Now for our last color, Hypnotica, we are going to just repeat the process from the last 2 colors. Now it's time for the top coat. I did cure each hand twice. And then of course you have to wipe off the sticky residue with some acetone on a cotton pad. And they're done. I love these nails. This is my first set for spring and I'm so excited to wear them for the next couple of weeks. So that is it, sis. I hope you enjoyed this DIY nail tutorial. Comment down below if you guys want more of these because I think I'm getting back into my bag when it comes to doing my own nails. And don't forget, you get 50% off with my discount code of a purchase of 2 or more bottles. So if you guys get any of the Nail Addict colors, be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see what kind of design you did as well. So until next time, sis, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.